Hello guys, welcome to my channel. A coffee maker is a cooking appliance we use to brew coffee. Cold water is poured into a separate chamber which is then boiled and directed into the funnel. This is also called automatic drip brew. I had shown many versions of superheroes character. I am going to show you superheroes character as coffee maker version. If you like my video, please hit the like button, comment and subscribe. What do you want in next video? Please comment in the comment section. Let's enjoy the video.